By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to be in the frequency of everything that you want. Now, if you know anything about the universal laws, about the Hermetic principles, then you will know that there is a law of correspondence. It's the second Hermetic principle, principle of correspondence. And that states, as within, so without. As within, so without. So we have within, which is happening in your mental plane. Let me put a barrier down the middle. And we have without, which is in the physical plane. Yeah? So as within, so within, so without. Very simple, right? So I'm going to tell you exactly how to work out how you're supposed to feel within to get your without. Yeah. So I'm going to use money as an example again, right? So what are the energy of money? Yeah. Equals energies of money. What's the energy of money? This is the question that you get to ask yourself. And obviously extrapolate this out into any area that you want to manifest, yeah? So with money, when people think of money, they think of security. They think of freedom. They think of abundance, obviously, yeah? They think of peace of mind, yes? You'd agree with that? Peace of mind. So, in order to get all of these things, we've got to feel them in the mental, right? So we need to tell a story. Tell a story of security. Tell a story of freedom. Tell a story of abundance. And tell a story that gives us peace of mind. Yeah? Because you cannot have this unless you have this. Yes, you cannot have it. It's an impossibility because the law states, as within, so without. Now, an awful lot of my clients who I work with in my 12-week signature program are typically 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, or leaders in their field who come to me feeling stressed. They come to me with a story of struggle, that, you know, they have to work really, really hard for everything that they want to achieve. They come to me with the story of it's being lonely at the top, yeah. Being lonely at the top. So if this is the story that they're constantly telling themselves, what do you think manifests into their reality? Yeah, it's a one-to-one correlation, right? So they have a life full of stress. They have a life full of struggle. Oopsie. And they have a life of isolation or feeling lonely, right? Because that's the story that they've created in their heads. In order to get the money, they have to be stressed. They have to experience this struggle. They have to have this loneliness about them. Yeah, that they have to do it all by themselves, and there is nobody that can really satisfy them because it's lonely at the top, right? So what we get to do then is to change the story that you're telling. Because like I say, it's a one-to-one reflection. Yeah, you cannot manifest ease, yeah, if you're telling the story of struggle and stress. You just can't do it. cannot do it. So you get to tell yourself a different story. Now, one way of doing that, of telling yourself that different story, let me just get rid of all this quickly. See, I've got a new whiteboard and he comes with a very cute little eraser, but it is quite little, eh? It's funny, isn't it? I've got the bigger board, but a smaller eraser. There you go. So one of the things that my clients really, really want is this sense of ease and abundance. Yeah, that's like the main things that people come to me looking for is ease and abundance. They are very, very much in the Michael Beckwith by me state of consciousness. If you remember, I said the other week or whenever, Michael Beckwith, he has the to me, by me, through me, and as me states of consciousness. The to me, this is kind of victim, a bit of a victim mentality. Do not blame yourself if you happen to be there. Maybe you just don't know any different yet, right? The by me is it only happens if I do it. If I make it happen, right? The through me is where you realize that there's more than you. That's release. Just for realize. Yeah. You, through me is there you realize that your human is smallest part. Oh, the human is not you. Yeah, that's a good way of putting that. And then as me, you this is the I am consciousness. Yeah, I am consciousness of all knowing. So if you are in this by me state of consciousness and you have to make it happen, that there is no support for you, that money only comes through stress and struggle, then like I said, you're going to be, your inner world is going to be stress and struggle. Yes? Your inner world is going to be stress and struggle. It has that matches that by me story. Yeah. So by me equals stress and struggle. Let's call it that. Yeah. And that often leads to burnout. Yes. But if the goal is ease and abundance and we're experiencing stress and struggle, they do not match. As within, so without. So obviously you have to bring ease and abundance into your physical reality first before you can experience it in the external world. Yes. Now, what often happens is that in order to bring this ease, this sense of ease, a lot of my clients go on holiday. Yeah. And then what happens is that they're sat by the pool, they're, sat on the beach or whatever, and they're not doing all the things that they think they should be doing. So that level of ease is not there, yeah, because they are beating themselves up mentally for not being at work. They're worrying, like especially business owners, and I've been here, right? I went on holiday, and the whole time I was on so-called holiday, I stressed about my business, stressed whether it would still be there when I got back. Now that going away, taking myself out of the environment of my business did not bring me ease. It actually brought me more stress, right? So we need to bring ease and abundance into our physical being. And we get to do that through meditation. We get to do that through nervous system regulation. So just sit. Now just sit for a minute. Just sit for a minute. Yeah, little Janet on her planet. Yeah. Just sit and meditate. Yeah. Meditate. Breathe. Oops. Meditate, breathe. Tell yourself the story of I am safe. It is safe for me to rest. It is safe for me to rest. And because these are also the energies of money, when you do this, when you tell yourself the story that money comes to you as easily as breathing, you do not have to strive and struggle and stress about getting money, you match the energy of ease, you match the energy of abundance, you match the energy of freedom and peace of mind, and that frequency, because that frequency matches that frequency of money, then you'll just find money coming more into your life, right? Without you trying for it. Yeah. When you believe that it is safe for you to just be, it is safe for you to just rest, it is safe for you to not have to struggle, then you'll find that the energy of the external changes to match your internal energy. So in order to get money, yeah, the energy of money is ease. Ease, abundance. Oops. Ease, abundance, freedom. Yeah, peace of mind, peace. And these are honestly, like, 9 times out of 10, these are the energies that you want all the time. Security, that's the other one, yeah. So this I am safe, having the internal story of being safe, brings safety. The internal story of being secure brings security. Yeah. Like I say, it's a one-to-one, it's a one-to-one match. So if you want to bring more money into your life, if you want to bring better relationships, a new job, whatever it is that you wish to bring, what are the energies of that thing? And then how can you, in your imagination, yeah, in your imagination, tell that story. Tell that story. In your mental visualizations, visualize the ease, the abundance, the freedom, the peace of mind. Breathe into it. If your nervous system is hijacking your thought process, yeah, then just breathe into it. Breathe into it. Just increase your breaths, increase the length of your breath. Feel the security, the safety of your chair beneath you, the floor beneath you, yeah, and just be in that state. And the more you can just be there and know that everything always works out for you, this is a really, really important idea for you to have. Yeah, everything always works out for me. Like I love global affirmations, like everything always works out for me. As great as it is, it gets to get better. What's the other ones? There's the what's his name? Emile Coué. Every day in every way, my life is getting better and better. Every day in every way, my life just gets better and better. All of these things. So you can just tell that story, yeah? As you're breathing, as you're meditating, as you're just relaxing into the safety of everything always works out for you, you will find that your frequency changes to match the energetic signature of the life that you want to live. Yeah. Like I say, this is the work that I do with my private clients in my 12-week and 8-week programs. If you want to get on a call with me, there's the link in the description. I also have other options of working together if you're not quite at that level yet. And I have a membership channel now. So I really encourage you to join the membership. They're beautiful people in there. Of course they are. We do live Q&As. We had our first one last Saturday. That was really, really fun. If you join before next Saturday, then you'll be invited to join us on a free bonus online workshop. The link to join the call is going to be in the membership. And then obviously at the end of the month, the last Saturday of every month, I do a online workshop for the Consciously Creating online series. Yes. And this is a series of workshops that build upon each other, but they also are standalone. So it doesn't matter when you join. You can just join us for one. You can join us for the whole series if you like. They happen on the last Saturday of every single month. In the meantime, there will be another video just there. So watch that one next, and I'll see you next time. Bye.